All right, today I'm going to show you how to make a noodle board. And this one is 22 inches front to back and a little less than 30 from side to side. And there's what it looks like. This one is the kind that just sits straight on top. And here's how to make it. So I've got these boards that are about 3/4 by 3.5 inches. And I've got this jig that you can get at Lowe's, and going to use it to get these boards together. It's got this drill bit that comes with it, and these special screws, and a special bit, and a special clamp. And all of these are going to help me drill some pocket holes that I'm going to use to have a nice clean top and everything held together from the bottom. And it's not too hard to use. So I've got my nicer face down, and it just clamps right into there. I've got all of the settings on it matched for this width of a board. And I'm going to drill a couple holes into it. So you can see there it's got a nice pocket hole ready for a screw. I'm also going to do some this direction to help hold everything together both directions. So now as I screw them together, I'm going to put a little bit of wood glue. Again, I've got the top facing down. And this clamp is going to hold everything perfectly flush. Screws in nice and easy. And we're off to a good start. Now basically for the rest of it, I'm just going to keep going the whole rest of the way down and have all of these connected together. So these two boards that are currently on the left and right are the sides, and I'm now filling in what's going to be going from front to back. Again, this tool is a pocket jig available at Lowe's. Very handy for a lot of furniture-like projects. All right, so I'm almost near the end now, getting the last board in here. I did have to cut the end one with a table saw to get everything to the right dimension. Now we're ready for the next part of the process. Gonna get everything sanded down real nice and real flush. And we're prepped for some stain. I like to use a cheap paintbrush to get my stain on. You can use a paper towel, a nice shop paper towel, but the paintbrush works good for me. And if you just kind of go over it a lot, you can get rid of all your brush strokes, and it dries real nice. Got this poly shade, so it's got polyurethane already in the stain. And I had a friend who does these decals get this on for me. And some cabinet handles on the side. And we are looking nice. You can see where it matches the where it sits to the counter. And there it is. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Hope this video helps, and hope that your noodle board turns out great. Be blessed.